This video will elaborate on the features and functionality of the Program Earnings Report within trading programs. The Program Earnings Report allows users to retrieve data on rebate earnings at the program line level within a trading program. To generate a Program Earnings Report, simply click on Program Earnings located under the Reports module within your trading program's channel. Here you'll be instructed to configure your report. I will now walk you through an example configuration. An important thing to remember is that not all these tabs must be selected. The only mandatory tabs are the trading partner and program line results type. I will first select actual program earnings under the program line results, so I'm only viewing actual earnings and not forecasts. We must then select the relevant suppliers whose earnings we wish to view, or we can simply select all to view all earnings across all of our suppliers simultaneously. We'll use Able Taps as an example. We now have the ability to generate a preview of a program earnings report, but for this example, I want to demonstrate how users can further customize their reports to extract specific information. We can filter by trading program type if you have multiple trading program types configured in your channel. Next, we have the ability to select particular trading programs. If you want to view all of them, leave this empty. The same goes for program lines. Now we can select the program line start and end dates. If I only want to view trading programs that were active during a particular time period, like the start to the end of 2020, I can search with this restriction here. The program line type filter allows you to view earnings by program line types. For example, I have the ability to include data on guaranteed rebate program lines only. Note that the program line types available will depend on how your channel has been configured. Dimension filters can be used to limit the scope of a report to only include earnings which are generated by certain dimensions. If you want to see how particular branches and products are earning rebate, for example, you can filter them here. Do this by selecting dimensions individually or by selecting their attributes. For example, if I want to see how a specific product category is performing in our trading program, I would add a filter, select products, and from the attributes filter, I would select one of the product categories. View by allows users to adjust the granularity of the report based on dimension. Using a view by filter lets me separate earnings by branch, turnover type, or by product categories. For this example, let's view by region. Finally, you can select the transaction dates and generate a report. Generating a report can take a few seconds depending on how granular the data you've requested is. The preview shows the first 20 lines of the report. If you wish to change any criteria, you may click the Change Criteria button. Once you're happy with the preview, you can download the report as a spreadsheet for external use. All program earnings reports contain trading partner information, which is in this case a supplier, details about the program line and the trading program it belongs to, and the actual results of the program line rebate earnings. This particular report is separated by branch region because we have chosen to view by region in our report configuration settings. The earnings being reported here are the actual earnings, as per our report configuration settings. Effective rate is the overall rate you earned comparing your rebate earnings to your turnover value. Finally, the green circles in the status column let us know that there are no outstanding rebate calculations for these rebate earnings. This essentially tells us that the report is complete.